everyone, welcome to the new video with a new chapter, conjunctions. So let's start the chapter. Chapter 13, conjunctions. So in this chapter you will learn what is a conjunction. तो इस chapter में हम पढ़ेंगे conjunctions क्या होते हैं. What is a conjunction? Conjunction क्या होता है? Read the following sentences carefully. The apple is red, the apple is sweet. अब हमारे पास दो अलग अलग sentence हैं. The apple is red and sweet. The boy is fat, the girl is slim. The boy is fat, but the girl is slim. Give me a toffee, give me a chocolate. Give me a toffee or a chocolate. In the above sentences, the words and, but and or, they are joining two words. ये दो words को join कर रहे हैं और two sentences को join कर रहे हैं. Hence, they are called joining words. They help to join two or more words or sentences. So वो हमारी help करते हैं जब दो words को join करने में, दो sentences को join करने में, वो होते हैं हमारे conjunctions. Always remember, a word that joins two words or sentences is called conjunction. तो some commonly used conjunctions are and, but, or, so, because. ये बहुत ही commonly used conjunctions हैं. Now moving ahead with the exercises. Now it's time to answer. Tick the correct options. The words which join words and sentences, they are called conjunctions. जो join करते हैं उन्हें हम conjunctions कहते हैं. This is a conjunction and this is not a conjunction, that is out. Now join the following sentences using and. अब हमें इसमें and लगा के join करना है. तो the fox is clever, the fox is cunning. So the fox is clever and cunning. Gauri closed the gate, Gauri went in. Gauri closed the gate and went in. I have a sweater, I have a coat, I have a sweater and a coat. So like this, you have to complete the rest of the parts. Now join the following sentence by using but हमें use करना है. The rose is red, the sunflower is yellow. So the rose is red, but the sunflower is yellow. The apple is sweet, the mango is sour. So the apple is sweet, but the mango is sour. So like this, you have to complete the rest of the parts. Go through the chapter again. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye-bye. Take care. Thank you.